called Pointland. And today I'm going to teach you how to build the shower head like this in this shower room. It will be nice for taking a shower in Minecraft. So let's go. So these are the ingredients we need: the blocks, any blocks you want, and the bucket of water, the sticky piston, the lever, and redstone dust in case we need something. So let's start with constructing the wall. Let's make it this block tall. I'm not going to speed up this video. It's going to be real time, okay? Oh my god. And now let's fill up this pool with water. But first, let me construct the pool first. Oops. So now what we're going to do is to dig a hole here. No. Yeah, like this. And to make the sticky piston, push this thing. Is this block correct? Let me check. Yes, it is correct. So now let's construct a wall to make it look realistic, to make it look more like the bathroom. Well, the wall doesn't fix how will you construct it, because it's how you design the wall. Oops, no. Okay, let me see if this works. Okay, it works. So all you need to do is just make the stair behind the sticky piston like this. Make sure the redstone doesn't connect. Make sure this redstone doesn't connect with the redstone on the top over here. And now just build another block in front of this redstone and place the lever. You can see if the redstone color grow if the color glow bright red like this, it means it works. Now you can continue to construct the wall. And it's okay to make a bathtub as well. Like if you stand over here, press the lever, and that's it. The water will fall down like the waterfall, like the shower head in Minecraft. And after that, you can cover these places like the bathroom or anything. And you may have to cover and hide the function at the back as well. Or you don't, it's up to you. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.